If you're unlucky enough to get a flat tyre, I'll give you a demonstration of how to use the temporary repair kit. This is a Honda Civic, so if you come in the boot, the repair kit's housed in the right hand side, up in this little compartment just here. Twist the dial anti-clockwise, drop down the flap, and in the top you'll find the silicone sealant, along with the instructions on what to do. So you pop those there, and also you have your compressor as well to inflate the tyre after. So if we start, remove your silicone sealant from the tube and the packet, and also your spout. Locate that onto the top of your silicone tube. And also inside there is a little yellow dart, which you need to take the valve out of the tyre that's got the puncture. Simple enough. Right. Remove the cap from the tyre valve, and using the yellow dart, anti-clockwise, remove the valve that's inside. Keep that safe. Then place the nozzle over the valve. Simple enough. And then squeeze in all of the silicone sealant into the tyre. It'll take a couple of minutes, applying plenty of pressure to get all the solution in. Once that's in, take the tube off. Then reinsert the valve that you took out before. Use a little yellow dart to screw that back in, going clockwise. Just nip it to finger pressure. And back, take your compressor. That's the bit that you connect to the tyre. Then plug that into your, you've got several points in the car. In the Civic you have one in the rear of the tailgate. Plug it into the power point there. You have to make sure that your ignition's on. So I'll just go and turn the ignition on. I'll just give you an idea on the tyre pressures that you need to inflate to while we go around this way. Which on the Honda Civic you'll find located on the B pillar just on the door there. Just check that it works. Yep. Just let it make a little bit of noise. Screw that onto the tyre valve. Just then press that. It'll start to inflate the tyre. On this it recommends that you go up to between 2 and 2.4 bars of pressure. Yes, to inflate the tyre. It does recommend that you don't leave the compressor running for more than 10 minutes. So start that now.